class! My name is Penny the Pencil, and I'm here to help you learn. Today we are learning about opacity. Can you say opacity with me? Do you remember what it means? Opacity is how see-through something is. If something is opaque, you can't see through it at all. Who can give me an example of something opaque? Good job! Now Miss C is going to test your genius.
Let's test your creative genius. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Good job! I am so proud of you!
Watch this. When I move the opacity slider down from 100% to 20%, the shapes become transparent. Just like emotions bag. Sometimes they're bold and clear, like when we're excited. And sometimes they're soft and quiet, like when we feel calm. Let's do some opacity math. If we start with 9% and subtract 4%, what do we get? 5% opacity.